To be able to change the saws, I first need to press the emergency stop. Otherwise, I cannot open the rear cover. I pressed the emergency stop and lifted my rear cover. Here I see my saw group. To change it, I first need to press the saw button I see here. Then, we remove the tightening bush that tightens the saw. We place our saw group into the section we see here. Next, with the help of the wrench that came out of our machine, we open the nut we see here. The point to note here is that this is a reverse thread. That is, we open the nut in the tightening direction. I remove my nut. Then, I will remove all the bushes and shims I see here.
Ardından burada gördüğüm bütün burçları ve şimleri dışarıya alacağım. Testere grubumu komple söktüm.
I completely disassemble my saw group. Next, I will perform the blade placement process by making a height adjustment on the mandrel according to my profile. For this, I need to disconnect the air connection. After disconnecting the air connection, I can move the motor we see here forward. We cannot perform this operation while the air is connected.
Şimdi dizme işlemine başlıyorum.
Now, we will place our bushes and shims. First, I seated my mandrel in its place. Now I'm starting the assembly process.
Diğer bıçağımı yerleştiriyorum. Tekrar kontrol ediyorum.
I'm also placing my blades, and here I will perform the checking procedure. See, it's engaging now. I'm placing the other blade on top. I check again whether I need to put a shim or a bush in between. No, not right now. I've also attached the other blade on top. I check it too if I need to attach it. Yes, no need remains on this one either.
Ve somunumu sıkacağım.
Next, I place all my shims and washers along with my bushes onto the mandrel, and I will tighten the nut. After closing the nut, to be able to fully tighten it, I put on the locking. Place here. With the help of the wrench that came out of the machine, I fully tightened the nut. Then, I took my group back to its place. I seated the mandrel in its place. Now I can put the air back. After pressing my change saw button here, I also placed the tightening bush in its place, and thus I have performed my blade adjustment. After doing the profile cleaning process to adjust the height again, we will do the same process. Again, we will achieve the desired cleaning process by using shims and bushes in between.